Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up and manage limited time sales and promotions in Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and to do that, it is very easy. You just need to click here in the discounts, and from here we can create a discount right here. As you can see, I already have mine, and if you don't have any right here, you can click here on create discount, and from here you get this option right here for options for free in Shopify. But if you want other options, then you can just download apps, Shopify App Store. Here, as you can see, I have an app right here that allows me to get these options right here. But this might be a paid option right here because most of the apps are paid. You cannot use their functions unless you pay for them. But these first four options right here are for free. They are provided by Shopify. You don't have to pay for anything right here. And I think this is pretty much enough right here. You don't need anything else. So let's say you want a limited sale right here for products. So you're gonna go here for amount of products right here. But if you want to sale for order, then you can go here amount order. Or if you want to buy one get one, or buy one get two, or something like that, then this is the one. Or if you want a free shipping promotion, then you can go for this one. So let's go for the amount of products right here because we will be discounting products. So from here, the method, as you can see from here, you can go for automatic discount so that in this case, the product will be automatically deducted, like discounted already at the price. So the title would be maybe sunglass discounted right there. And yeah, if you want the discount code, you can also do this right here. You can generate a code by clicking generate, or you can type your own. But our topic today is limited sales, so I'll just go for this one right here. And now for the value, you can go for percentage or fixed amount. But for me, I'll go for a fixed amount. I like it better. So I'll go for 50 right there. It applies to specific collections. And from here, you can select the product that you want to give the sale or discount to. So click on specific products right here and click on browse. And you can see all the products that you have right here. All the product variants also. So let's say I want to go for sunglasses right here and click on add. And from here, now it is discounted by 50 and only appear discount once per order right here. You can also check this if you'd want to right there. And after that, you can go for availability right here. This discount is automatically applied to all sales channels. And yeah, I want that. And now minimum purchase requirements is none. Right here is just set it to 0, just like that. And after that, you can go for combinations. Sunglasses discounted can be combined with if you want to stack discounts right here, but I don't want that, so I'm not gonna do that. And now for the limited time, here is the option that you need to settle right here. So you can set a date right here from where it starts and the start time right here, and you can also set an end date right here. And by clicking here, this check mark right here, you're gonna check this box so that you can have the end date right here. And after you're happy with all of this, you can click on save discount. And now there's one error, purchase can't be blank right here. So minimum purchase right here. So I guess we can leave this open right here. So let's just go for 1. If you just go, yeah. So this is like 0 right here because yeah, click on save discount. And after that, the discount has been successfully created. And when you go back, you can see that you have the discount here. As you can see, it's expired because we didn't set the date correctly. So let's just go and just like that. And now let's go back. As you can see, it's now active. And now we can go into our products and we can see here. As you can see right here for the prices that you have set right here, and when you go into your store by clicking here on online store and view your products right here, view your store and your sunglass right here, as you can see, it's now discounted right here into 50%. I mean 50 pesos right here, and you click on it, and as you can see, it's on sale right here. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.